start our day with a prayer in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, before we start our day, guide us to be closer to you in everything that we do. Wrap your loving arms around the victims of coronavirus and protect the hospital workers on the front lines. We pray for the scientists and researchers that you'll provide them with the wisdom and guidance. We pray that we'll soon be able to go back to school with a deepened love and faith for you. Amen. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Let all that you do be done in love.
Please place your right hand over your heart as we recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today's motivational quote comes from Brittany Bergender. She says, "Soon, when all is well, you're going to look back on this period of your life and be so glad that you never gave up." I hope this message touched the inside of your heart, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.
Hi, SC. Even though we're away from school, there are still many ways that we could show our SC spirit. This week, you could show your spirit by wearing your spirit shirt on your Zooms. Hope to see you soon. Go Trojans!
Hi SC, a distance learning tip that I find useful is taking breaks when I need them. For example, doing a couple subjects first, taking a break, and then doing some more.
Hey SC, this is just a reminder from your student council to keep on working your hardest and making the best of your situation. Let's keep our faith strong, our spirits high, and together we can work through this.
Hey SC, and now for the joke of the day. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot.